Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, yesterday you were asked to write a paragraph on the topic My Teacher. I hope that you all have written that paragraph. Now this is the time to give you feedback regarding my teacher. Dear students, I have written this paragraph for you. My teacher, Sir Ali is my teacher. He is an Ahmed. He is polite. He is disciplined. His hair are black and white. His face is round and lovely. His skin is dark but shiny. He is kind and social. He is cool and calm. He is old but active. He is wise and intelligent. Moreover, he is witty too. He likes to teach the lesson and mark the papers. He can prepare charts and do activities. I like him very much because he is responsible. He is responsible and caring. May Allah bless him a lot. This was the paragraph that I have written for you. I once again I read for you. This is the first tense, introductory sentence. Sir Ali is my teacher. He is an Ahmed. He is polite. These are two simple sentences. He is disciplined. His hair are black and white. The use of and. His face is round and lovely. Use of and. Two sentences using and. His skin is dark but shiny. So this is the use of but. He is kind and social. The use of and. He is cool and calm. Once again the use of and. Two sentences using and. He is old but active. Use of but. He is wise and intelligent. Moreover, he is witty too. The use of moreover. He likes to teach the lesson and mark the papers. Use of like to with and. He can prepare charts and do activities. Use of modal can. I like him very much because he is responsible and caring. Use of the closing sentence using and because. Last sentence, optative sentence, may Allah bless him a lot. This is the end of the paragraph. Now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourselves. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.